Watching our channel Kingdom Wars, History of Towns, we're going to check the histories of all the rulers of the world. We will start with first British history. The beginning of British history, the foundation that eventually led to the rise of a vast empire. Our story begins around the 5th century, when the Roman Empire withdrew from Britain and the land Britain had been under Roman control. But as the Roman Empire weakened, they pulled their armies back home. With the Roman goals, Britain was left in a power vacuum, and into this vacuum came new tribes that Anglo-Saxons and Celts. These people came from what is now Germany and Denmark, and they gradually began to take over parts of Britain. Over time, they formed several small kingdoms known as the Anglo-Saxon kingdoms like Wessex, Mercia, and Northumbria. A major turning point came into year 597 when a Christian missionary named Augustine arrived. He began spreading Christianity, which brought big changes to their society and politics. In the year 597, when Augustine brought Christianity to Britain, it marks the beginning of a new era in the Anglo-Saxon life. Slowly, many Anglo-Saxon kings converted to Christianity. Churches began to appear and written records started to be kept, which helped preserve British history. At this time, England was not one country, it was divided into several small kingdoms like Wessex, Mercia, Northumbria, and East Anglia. This period is known as the Heptarchy, which means 7 kingdoms. But in the late 8th and 9th centuries, a new threat arrived, the Vikings. The Vikings came from Scandinavia, modern-day Norway, Sweden, and Denmark. They began attacking the coast of Britain, and in 793, they raided Lindisfarne, a holy Christian monastery. This was the first major Viking attack and it shocking the Christian world. Over the next few decades, the Vikings captured large part of England. The land they controlled became known as the Danelaw. But now that almost lost, a great leader rose from the kingdom of Wessex, King Alfred the Great. Alfred fought back against the Vikings, built strong defenses, and organized a powerful army. He was also a scholar who promoted education and law. That's why we remember him as the Alfred Great. After Alfred, his descendants continued to fight the Vikings and gradually took back land, finally in the early 900th century. King Alfred, Alfred's grandson, united the various kingdoms and became the first true king of England. That's all for today. If you wanted to see more and explore the worldwide rulers' histories, subscribe to our channel. We'll find the next part on our channel next week.